How's it going, everybody? Joys of Sorrow here. Welcome to the Joys of Sorrow channel. And if you've noticed that little guy in the center, he and these three back here happen to be new residents here. So I went to one of the local shops here in Chatsworth, California called, I think it's called Exotic Fish and Reptile. And I noticed that they actually had bumblebee nerite snails. So, and if you guys know anything about these guys, they are my favorite snail thus far. My absolute favorite. So I picked up 3 of them. And they are in here with Pinky. I also went ahead and moved the large nerite that was in here into the big tank. I'll explain that in the next video why. It's a little bit of an experiment because I do believe that the mystery snails are being harassed by the little fish. And when you look at a nerite, well, for example, there, right there, there's one of the nerites that was already in there. Oh, it's another horn nerite. The horn nerite's bodies don't protrude out as much as the mystery snails when they pop out and they walk around. So you see this guy, he's actually moving around the glass, but his whole body isn't out and his antennae are all over the place. So maybe I need to switch to nerite snails for this tank here, and that's kind of the idea I'm going for. I'm assuming that the nerite went inside there and is hiding for a little bit until nighttime, which is fine, but just letting you know where that is. I do have 3 other snails that I've picked up as well. I picked up 3 assassin snails. Yeah, she is going over there, and yes, she does has tried to peck at them already, but because they're horned nerites, I'm not worried, you know. Mally here also has horned nerites in his tank. Don't see any of them visible at the moment, but actually right here next to the thermometer there's one right there, and there's 2 usually lingering about, usually either behind the log or inside the rock. But I love these guys. I'm so happy to have them. But yeah, I also have 3 assassin snails that I picked up. So along with the 2 that are in the main tank, it is now 5 assassin snails in the main community tank. And I'll show you guys clips of those later when they pop out. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.